What is it, Yum Yum? What's the matter, baby? What's the matter, sweet girl? You wondering where your mommy and daddy are?
Yeah, you know where they are.
Aru! Aru! Aru!
He's not gonna look at me.
Hi, kids.
Why is the doll here on Mark's chair?
Oh, it didn't, and nobody put it on.
Which one is this now?
I just kept it for maybe next year.
In the pink?
This is Ayumi and Haru.
That's Ayumi, who's had the beating. And that's Haru. The bat loaf, huh?
Bat loaf.
The bat loaf.